My name is Miley and I'm in the dental assisting program. I started in August and immediately I fell in love with the teachers, classmates. So welcoming, warming, and I just love how it's like hands-on. You get to learn from the books. It's just all in detail what you need to know, and I fell in love with it. Half of my family are a dental hygienist, so I've kind of raised up with that, and so I kind of followed my aunt's steps and realized, yeah, dental assisting is for me. You're dealing with real patients and real residents. But working with real people, you kind of have to understand what they're feeling, what's going on, and you kind of have to, look at their medical history to see, what tooth number, like what are they doing a filling or are they doing an extraction? So doing the things for a real patient or a real resident, it's really fun, and it kind of makes you want to do more than just clinicals, it makes you want to push into the real job, makes you want it, and that's what I like about it.